Today, important topic transistor. What is the meaning of transistor? What is the use of transistor? Transistor is a device or it is an instrument. Transistor is an instrument to transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. What is the use of transistor? Transistor is a device to transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. Generally, current flow from high opposition to low opposition. But using this device, transfer a current from low opposition to high opposition. Okay, what is the use of transistor? It is a device to transfer a current from low resistance to, that means low opposition to high opposition or high resistance. Here, transistor is made of two PN junction diodes are arranged back to back. That means, look here now, this is the PN junction diode, PN. This is also PN junction diode, but arranged back to back. That means it will be reverse volta. PN, NP, both are add to get. It will look like here P, N, P. Here look now. P, N, P. Okay? P, N, P. Again, another transistor is here. Look here, Nana. N, P. Plus 2. Here, right. P, N. Both are added to get. Here, look here, Nana. N, P, N. Okay? This is look like N, P, N. That means transistor is generally made of two PN junction diodes are arranged back to back. This is PN, this back NP. Both are combined. We get PNP transistor. NP plus PN, we get NPN transistor. That means how many transistors are there? Two transistors are there. One is PNP transistor, another one is NPN transistor. Okay? Here PNP transistor, here NPN transistor. Here actually in the electricity input taken from two terminals. For example, in your house, one TV. These are two terminals. Nana. This is electrical socket. It will be switches there. Switch on. Two terminals are required. But here in the transistor, three terminals are there. Here, first two terminals taken as input. Okay. Second two terminals taken as output. Okay. Here first two terminals taken as input, second two terminals taken as output. What is the use of transistor, Nana? To transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. That means first two terminals always connected in forward bias. Second two terminals is connected to reverse bias. Once again I repeat, in the electricity, input taken as two terminals, output taken as two terminals. But here three terminals is there. So that's why these three, first two connected as input, next two connected as output. That means common for all input. N is common for input and output. Generally, what is the use of transistor? To transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. High resistance means what bias? Reverse bias. Low resistance means what bias? Forward bias. That means first two terminals connected in forward bias, next two terminals are connected in reverse bias generally. This is the transistor. Okay. This transistor, once again I draw the diagram. This is the P transistor. Here actually in this region, this is the P nana, for example. This is the P nana. In the majula vanadu mottham enti ante N. Look here, P, N. Two breads. Majula chetta. This is called in the cooking section sandwich. That means this transistor look like a sandwich nana. Two piece, majula N. ORR NPN transistor is there. NPN transistor. Here N, majalo chetta. NPN. This is also look like a sandwich. That means transistor look like a sandwich. Once again I repeat, transistor always transfer the current from low resistance to high resistance. Here two PN junction diodes are arranged back to back, so that's why it has two types. One is PNP and NPN based on the arrangement. Here it look like a sandwich. It look like a sandwich. Next every transistor consists of three regions. What is the first region? Emitter. What is the second region? Base. Third region is collector. Every transistor, that means transistor example is PNP, ORR, NPN. Every transistor consists of three regions. Three regions. Okay. Every transistor consists of three regions. Here, first region is here. Look here, this is the transistor. Here. For example, this transistor name PNP. In the first region is called emitter. Here. Next region is base. Okay. Third region is collector. Every transistor consists of three regions. First region is emitter, second region is base, third region is collector. What is the meaning of emitter? I can explain. Emitter. Next region is base, last region is collector. I can explain the differences between emitter and base and collector. Here, emitter functioning is to emit the charge carriers. That means, what is the functioning of emitter? To supply the charge. Under this emitter, always to supply the charge to the base and to the collector. That means it will be always to emit the charge carriers. And emit avali ante it is heavily doped. Doping ante adding the impurities. Heavily doped, automatically heavily charge carriers. What is the emitter functioning? To supply the charge carrier or to emit the charge carrier. It is always heavily doped. According to diagram, here this is the thickness. This is the thickness of base. This is the thickness of collector. In these thicknesses, which thickness is more? Collector thickness is more. Which thickness is less? Base thickness is less. Which thickness is moderate? Emitter thickness is moderate. That means emitter thickness is moderate, compared to base and collector. Compared to base, it will be more, nana. Its thickness is more. Compared to collector, its thickness is less. మనకు ఉన్నది 3 ఎమిటర్, బేస్, కలెక్టర్. వీటిల్లో థిక్నెస్ మోడరేట్గా ఉంది ఏంటి అంటే ఎమిటర్. నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న బేస్. బేస్ ఫంక్షనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ బఫర్ నాన్న. ఈజ్ ఏ బఫర్ acts between emitter and collector. Once again, what is the base nana? Base is a buffer acts between emitter and collector. Once again I repeat, base is a buffer nana, acts between emitter and collector. That means it is a broker nana, conversion of charges emitter to collector via base, through base ద్వారా charges here to here move. So base is general language is called broker. Okay, next nana it is a nana here base is charge carriers is very less nana. That means it is very lightly doped nana, very lightly doped. Next, according to diagram, thickness is also very less nana. Thickness of the base region is very less nana, is very less. Okay, next nana I discuss collector. Collector means to collect the charge carriers. That means emitter means to emit the charge carriers. What is the functioning of collector? To collect all the charges in the circuit. To collect the charges. And here to collect the charges nana, it is moderately doped nana. Which is heavily doped nana? Emitter is heavily doped. Which is lightly doped? Base is lightly doped. Which is moderately doped? Moderate means compared to base it is heavily doped. Compared to emitter it is lightly doped. Okay. Next, according to diagram, the thickness of the collector region is very high nana, because all the charges collect here, so much vacancy is there, much space is required. So that's why its thickness of the collector region is very high nana, compared to base region, compared to emitter region. Okay, next I discuss nana working of the PNP transistor and working of the NPN transistor.